Assalamualaikum and hi. Today, my friend and I would like to present Chapter 9. In Chapter 9, we will learn about definition of quality and total quality management (TQM), dimension of quality, principles of TQM, and tools of TQM. Before we begin, I would like to share about quality and total quality management. Quality is an important issue that distinguishes an organization from its competitors. Quality management tools guarantee change in the system and processes, leading to excellent quality products and service. Total quality management is a quality method that has the purpose to deliver a high quality products. Quality management is essential to create excellent quality product which not only fulfill but also exceeds customer needs. Customer needs to be satisfied with the best quality products or service. Business marketers are successful only when they focus on quality rather than quantity. Quality products or service ensure that the organization survives the competition with a stable rank. Quality management is essential for customer satisfaction, which eventually leads to customer loyalty.
Now we go to definition of quality and total quality management. First, we start with the definition of quality. The first point is the standard of something as measured against other things of a similar kind. And the second point is quality is a performance standard expected by the customers. Next, we go to the definition of total quality management, or known as TQM. TQM is creating an organizational culture committed to the continuous improvement of skills, teamwork, processes, product and service quality, and customer satisfaction. In 2015, Griffin said that TQM is a strategic commitment by top management to make a guiding factor in everything it does.
Moving on to 9.2. Dimensions of quality, which consists of: first one is performance, a product's primary operating characteristic. For example, a television set performance means sound and picture clarity, color, and the ability to receive distant stations. Example of service is fast food. Performance often means prompt. Next one is features, those additional characteristics that supplement their basic functioning and enhance the appeal of the product or service to the customer. For examples include free drinks on a plane or car power windows for automobiles. Next one is reliability, reflects the probability of a product will not fail within a specified time period. It becomes more crucial to consumers as downtime and maintenance become more expensive. Number 4 is conformance, the degree to which a product's design and operating characteristic meet established standards of specification compliance. Next one is durability, a measure of product life. Durability has both economic and technical dimensions. Technically, durability can be defined as the amount of use one gets from a product before it wasn't. Next one is serviceability, refer to speed, courtesy, competence, and ease of repair. Consumers are concerned not only about a product breaking down, but also about the time before service is restored. The timeliness with which service appointments are kept, the nature of dealings with service personnel, and the frequency with which service calls or repairs fail to correct outstanding problems. Number 7 is aesthetics, how a product looks, feels, sounds, tastes, smells. It is about personal judgment and a reflection of individual preference. Nevertheless, there appear to be some patterns in consumers' rankings of products based on taste. Number 8 is perceived quality. Consumers do not always have complete information about a product's of service and attributes. Indirect measures may be the only basis for comparing brands.
9.3 Principle of TQM. TQM is important to an organization to ensure the marketability of product or service in competitive environment locally and globally. Next is customer-driven standard. The key to the effectiveness of TQM is to focus on the customer. Organization sustainability depends on the customer who buys the organization product or use the organization service. The term customer is always right must be considered by the organization to ensure that product or service meet customer needs and expectations. Doing it right the first time and every time must be practiced, emphasizing design quality and defect prevention. There are two types of customer, internal and external. Internal customer refer to employees who get the work direction from manager, while external customer refer to person who buy or use the organization product or service. Next, do it right the first time, every time. TQM represents the foundation of continuously improving organization. It is the application of methods and human resources to improve all the process within an organization and its customer needs now and in the future. By doing it right the first time, defect and waste can be prevented from operation. Moreover, it is less expensive than the cost of detecting and correcting procedure where reparation, reworks, or replacement is needed. Implication of rework is increased cost, causes delay and low customer satisfaction, which can lead to the reputational damage and affect future business prospects. Make continuous improvement a way of life. TQM focuses on continuous process improvement within organization to provide superior customer value and meet customer needs. Benchmarking is a tool to coordinate organization in practicing TQM. It involves identifying the best practice and approaches by comparing productivity in specific areas within an organization with other organizations, both inside and outside the industry. Another tool to coordinate organization is Kaizen, which means change for the better or continuous improvement. Build teamwork and empowerment. Management must give the commitment to ensure the effectiveness of TKM. Managers from all levels must act as coach to other teams. It is important to coordinate towards a common goal and develop an organization culture in which all workers are committed to working. The manager must communicate the TKM information to all employees in an organization. TKM can be effective when employees perform well and are supported by management.
For 9.4, I just want to share with you guys about the tool of TQM. To ensure the effectiveness of TQM, there are two common tools most companies use. First, benchmarking. Benchmarking compare one's own products, services, or processes against those of industry leaders. It also involves a process of finding the best available product, feature, process, and service. An organization uses them as a standard for improving a company's own product, processes, and services. Then there are three types of benchmarking, which consist: first, competitive benchmarking, studying products, processes, or business performance of competitors in the same industry in the aspect of reaching quality and technical feature. For instance, UiTM benchmark research performance against as part of its performance development effort. Competitive benchmarking is the process of comparing your company against a number of competitors using a set collection of metrics. This is used to measure the performance of company and compare it to others over time. Next is process benchmarking, studying the process aspect of distribution, other entry, employee training, production, and etc. This compare companies across any industry. For instance, Cellco implement a new process for provisioning and benchmark its result against industry best practice. Process benchmarking offer many benefits to organizations seeking better operational performance, including process benchmarking show an organization how it rate in operational performance compared to peers and industry leader, and highlight the area that have the greatest potential for near-term and long-term process improvement. Other type of benchmarking is strategic benchmarking. How a company competes and seek the winning strategies that have proven to bring success. It involves taking a long-term view of the company's direction, such as a business strategies, business approaches, and business models. For instance, a furniture company used IKEA as its benchmark, as IKEA is well known for the DIY concept. Besides that, strategic benchmarking look at what other companies are doing in terms of top management capabilities, strategic initiative, competitive product development, and other long-term qualities and processes that have proved successful.
To ensure the effectiveness of TQM, the second common tool most companies use is fishbone diagram. The fishbone diagram is the relationship between some effect and all the possible causes. The effect or problem is stated on the right side of the chart, and the major influences or causes are listed on the left. For every effect, there are likely to be several major categories of causes. For example, the major causes could be manpower, it is mean, people, methods, materials, machinery, and others. After identifying the major cause for each cause, provide details on this major cause happens. So, this is basic diagram. Cause is mean a main cause or major cause, and below cause is a sub-cause which is supporting ideas or details for causes 1. So, the right side is effect of the causes. Okay, we go to the last example of fishbone diagram. Measurement is the major causes 1. And the supporting idea is gas gauge is broken and too many miles on the car. So, the effect of all the causes is car won't start. Seems like the second major causes, which is people, and the supporting ideas of the people is lack of training and no preventative maintenance. So the effect of these major causes number 2, still car won't start. As you can see, all the major causes and the sub causes are same effect, which is car won't start. I hope you guys can understand, alright? So, that's all from me and my group from group number 3. So, bye.